I am Arvind Shad Pandit. Today I am going to deliver lecture upon organosulfur compounds, semester 5th, core course 11, Kolha University, Chaivasa, CBCS system. The topic is covered as question answer type. The first portion of question is short and long answer type questions. First question is, what are thioalcohols and thioethers? Thioalcohols are sulfur analogues of alcohols. The other definition is that those organic compounds which have general formula RSH are called thiols. General formula RSH for thiols, ROH for alcohols, and HSH for hydrogen sulfides. The examples are CS3SH, which is common name is methyl mercaptan and IUPAC name is methanethiol. CS3CS2SH, ethyl mercaptan and IUPAC name is ethanethiols. Similarly, what are thioethers? That is alkyl sulfides. Thioethers are sulfur analogues of ether or those organic compounds which have general formula RSR are called thioethers. General formula RSR are thioethers, RO are ethers, and HSH are hydrogen sulfide. Examples are CS3SCS3, the common name is dimethyl sulfide and IUPAC name is methyl thiomethane. Similarly, CS3S C2H5 ethyl methyl sulfide, the IUPAC name is methyl thioethane. In this way, C2H5S C2H5 diethyl sulfide is the common name, whereas IUPAC name is ethyl thioethane. The second question of first question, discuss two methods for the preparation of thioethers. Preparation of thioethers are first from ethers. When ethers are heated with P2S5, thioethers are formed. The second method is from thioalcohols. From thiols, when vapor of a thiol are passed over a mixture of L2O3, that is alumina, and zinc sulfide heated to 575 K, thioethers are formed. The reaction are written below. The third portion of the first question is, why thioethers are more reactive than ethers, or why do thioethers act as stronger nucleophiles as compared with ethers. Thioether is represented as RSR, but ether represented as ROR. Sulfur present in thioethers has a large size than oxygen present in ethers. Oxygen has a higher electronegativity, that is 3.5, than sulfur, that is 2.5. So electron pair present on sulfur atom can be easily available for sharing. That is why thioethers are more reactive than ethers, or thioethers act as strong nucleophiles as compared with ethers. The next question is, outline the synthesis of the following compounds from benzene sulfonic acids. First compound is benzene, second is phenol, third is benzoic acid, and fourth is benzene sulfonyl chloride. Thioethers, the conversion of benzene sulfonyl chlorides to benzene is written as benzene sulfonic acid reacts with water in presence of acid at 425 Kelvin to form benzene and sulfuric acid. The second portion is sodium benzene thiosulfate reacts with sodium hydroxide or fuse with sodium hydroxide to form phenol and sodium sulfite. In the similar way, when benzene sulfonic acid reacts with water, it forms benzene and sulfuric acid. In the next question, that the benzene sulfonic acid converted into benzene sulfonyl chloride by the reaction of phosphorus pentachloride. And last portion is benzene sulfonic acid reacts with sodamide, that is NaNH2, to form aniline C6H5NH2. The second question, why are sulfonic acid stronger than carboxylic acids? The answer are sulfonic acid ionizes into benzene sulfonate ions and hydronium ion in presence of water, whereas carboxylic acid ionizes into carboxylate ion and proton. The acidity of acid depends upon their protonation capacity. Benzene sulfonic acid is stronger than carboxylic because sulfonate ions presence of 3 negative charge on oxygen atoms more stabilized in comparison to carboxylate ion, that is presence of 2 negative charge on oxygen atom. The second portion of the second question is discussion. In conversion, first is benzene into benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene at first reacts with oleum. It at 303 to 323 Kelvin, it forms benzene sulfonic acid. The next is benzene to benzoic acid. In this reaction, benzene at first converted into benzene sulfonic acid by the reaction of oleum at 303 to 323 Kelvin. Then it reacts with sodium hydroxide to form C6H5SO3Na, and it fused with sodium cyanide to form phenyl cyanide, which upon hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. The next question is, arrange the following acids according to increasing acid strength. C6H5COOH, OCH3 C6H5SO3H, C is NO2 C6H4SO3H, and last is C6H5SO3H. The decreasing strength are, first is NO2 C6H4SO3H, next is C6H5SO3H, next is OCH3 C6H4SO3H, and last is C6H5COOH, that is benzoic acid. The next question is, write a short notes upon mustard gas. As we know that mustard gas is a poisonous gas which was first used in Second World War. The structural formula of mustard gas is CH2Cl, CH2S, CH2, CH2Cl. Preparation: when ethylene reacts with sulfur monochloride, mustard gas is formed. The properties of mustard gas are, first, mustard gas is oily liquid, misnomers also called, boiling points to 15 degrees centigrade. It is a deadly poisonous gas. It produces painful blisters on the skin and damages lungs. It is soluble in ordinary solvent but insoluble in water. Describe the mechanism of sulfonation of benzene. The mechanism of sulfonation of benzene is discussed as follows. At first, here 4 steps are involved. First, generation of electrophiles, sulfuric acids, ionizes into SO3, H3O plus and HSO4 minus. And the second step is the attachment of electrophile to the benzene nucleus. Several resonance structures are formed, and the third is removal of proton to form sulfonic acid anion. The reactions are written. The last step of the mechanism is reaction between sulfonic acid anion and hydronium ion, which result in the formation of benzene sulfonic acid. The last is the suggested books. The important books are Organic Chemistry by Morrison and Boyd. Second is the textbook of Organic Chemistry, volume 1st and 2nd by I.L. Finar. And third is Advanced Organic Chemistry by Bahal and Bahal. And fourth is a textbook of Organic Chemistry by M.K. Jain, S.C. Sharma and Amita. In the end, student must contact on email for any inquiry as follow: arvindprasad123@gmail.com. Thank you.